I'm Nicole. Um, I I work for a US-based company, and I do a job of business development for the US company, which is focused in life science, biotech. So we do research equipment manufacturing. So I'm based in Malaysia, but I'm in charge for the whole Asia Pacific. So I have time freedom for my work, and I think that working for someone will not get me to financial freedom. So that's the purpose that I started with Beyond Insight. Um, I've been working for like 10 years right now. I attended a lot of trainings. So the workshop from you guys is quite professional, I would say. It's very detailed. And for newcomer like me, I think I kind of understand how it works. It's very detailed. You guys are very patient. The coaches, Kathleen really, I think Kathleen and the coaches really explain pretty well on the basic first before go into how's the flow to do a stock purchasing. So I guess that will be a good starting for newcomer like me to start with the trading market. For those people that already maybe they watch from YouTube and then they kind of understand a little bit of knowledge, somehow they will get burned, right? And then they will like frustrations and I don't know where to go next. So for me, attending a course like what offered from Beyond Insight, it could be a good way to, either turn yourself back to make your investing strategy better, and go to the right way. Attending a seminar is an investment as well. Yeah. So it's considered as my educational investment. A lot of people think that I paid for so much money to attend a course and seminar. What can I get at the end? Not many people will invest such an expensive course, and then it's a very hard decision. So for me, I think it will eventually get the ROI back if I do it properly.
Yes.
So choosing the right people is very important. Choosing the right vehicle to learn from is very important.